My dear traders, what's up? Very welcome to Tum's Trading Academy, and today also we are going to have another session with binary options. Are you ready, guys? Let's go for our today day trade. My dear traders, in my live account in the beginning of today day trade, guys, I have $2,000 and the first investment will be $500, and let's choose the currency pair USD JPY and let's push down with $500 first investment. And let me explain what's going on with the market, guys. Market, it's like pushing down right now, and according to the RSI indicator, I have analyzed the RSI indicator and it has been reaching to the overbought zone, guys, and it's time to push down, guys. And also the thing is, it went up, it's climbed up, and it was in the range zone, the flat zone, and it was a really strange flat zone. And now I'm seeing it's pushing down, guys, so that's why I decided to put $500 first investment and push down, guys. So far so good. Market is climbing down, and let's wait and see, guys. So by the way, yeah, I can make this profit. Yeah, it's a really strong pushing down option right now. Market behavior, market strategy like that, guys. And look at my first profit, guys, $960. Clean profit is $460. Let's change the currency pair, and guys, yeah, here it's good, and for $500, and let's push down, guys, for the second one. Yeah, of course. Let's push down. Yeah, follow the trend. Trend is like, guys, yeah, it went up and it's time to climb down, because according to the RSI indicator, look at and pay attention on RSI indicator, it has almost reached into the overbought zone, and it's time to push down. Oh shit, what's going on? Holy crap, guys. By the way, it has right now, I have only 50-50 chance. By the way, what do you think, guys? What do you think? I think I have only 50-50 chance, because market is behaving on that level, like pushing up, pushing down, guys. Right now it's pushing up. It means, guys, I can't make this profit $500. It doesn't matter. Let's wait and see, guys. Wait and see. Yeah, as I told you, I didn't make it. Okay, no problem. Let's go for $1,000, and let's push up. Yeah, follow the trend. Trend is our friend, as always, guys. And also, I'm highly recommending you to use my tactics, guys. If you are using my tactics, following my instructions for your day tradings, guys, you are never losing your money, and you are every day making your profit, as I'm doing this. And also, I'm highly recommending you guys follow my VIP Telegram channel, be a community member in my VIP Telegram channel. There it's available additional educational things, my tactics, my analysis about day trading market, and online updates, live updates about market, guys. So if you're a beginner, definitely you will become a professional day trader with my tactics after a couple of weeks, guys. So by the way, you can use it. It's for free for you guys. Join with my VIP Telegram channel. All the links below in the description, you can find it easily. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and look at this profit. Oh no, yeah, guys, $1,770 profit, guys. Clean profit, guys. So change the market, and let's go for fast. Yeah, fast. Okay, let's push down, and let me explain, guys, what's going on. The trend, guys, went up and went pushing down, and according to RSI indicator, it has almost been reached into the overbought zone, guys. Now it's pushing down, guys. So it's a really good trend, guys. Follow the trend, you will never lose your money. Trend is a guardian angel, guys. Trend is guiding us to make profit, guys. So that's why I'm always recommending you to follow the trend. Trend is our friend, guys. So far so good. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more additional videos like this, guys. More additional educational videos like this. And right now, the red color button, subscribe button, push the subscribe button, and hit the like button also this video, guys. and also share your thoughts with me in the below comment section. Don't forget about it, guys. So far so good. Made a profit, guys, $965. And what about the market, guys? Let's change the currency pair and let's push down for USD CHF. It's a good trend, guys. Trend is our friend, and it's pushing down right now. The market is traded like that. So by the way, according to the RSI indicator, pay attention on the RSI indicator, guys. It's a really it has almost been reaching to the oversell zone twice, and then it has been reaching to the overbought zone. Now it's in the overbought zone and a little bit pushing down the market, and a little like a flat one range zone, guys. By the way, let's wait and see, guys. Okay, push down, candle, baby. Where are you going? Don't be crazy. Okay, I think I can't make this one also, guys. yeah, I didn't make it. I lost my 500. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's go for 1000 and let's push up, guys. Trend is trend is like pushing up, so that's why I decided to push up. So right now in my live account, $1,695. After this one, how much will be, guys? Maybe how much, guys? How much? 1,800 plus 1,800. If I will make this profit, guys. So yeah. So guys, beginners, newcomers, for this video, guys, did you watch my previous videos? What about my previous videos? Did you get something for your day tradings? Let me know in the below comment section, guys. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more additional educational videos like these, guys. Everything for free, guys. What's going on with the market? Let me see the. Okay, I made it as I told you, guys. $1,800, $1,800 I have made. And guys, let's change the currency pair. And what's going on with it? No. Here, what's going on with this market? Yeah, it's going good. Yeah. So by the way, let's push up, and let me show you, guys. It went up and pushing down. No, push down, and it's going up. Not time to climb up, guys. So far so good. And are there any resistive zones and the supportive zones? No one. By the way, okay. Wait and see and analyze the market, guys. Every time your thing is analyze the market properly. If you are going to make if you want to make more profits, carefully analyze the market, guys. Where is the trend, where is the resistive zone, supportive zone, then you can get the proper analyze, and then you can properly I'm not gonna make this one, guys. Sorry for this 500 also. By the way, I lost another one. Okay, go with $1,000 and let's push up. And look at this, guys. Look at this. There are several supportive zones and resistive zones, and right now the market is bouncing in between resistive zones and supportive zones. So we need the green red candle. When it hit the supportive zone, it should be the market should be changed. And okay, look at this. As I told you, market has been changed, and green candle is growing up. So guys, as I told you, that's why I'm highly recommending you to use my tactics, guys. So and analyze this. And guys, analyze the market is the really important thing. The very important thing is analyze the market. So I found that two resistive zones and two supportive zones, and I made that this profit, guys. Look at these, guys. 1,800, another one, And guys, for today it's enough for me. And guys, in my live account I have $3,800 almost, guys. I have made how much, guys? $1,800 at the end of this trade, guys. My dear traders, I have made $1,800 at the end of this today day trade, guys, and it was a really profitable day trade. And guys, if you want to become a professional day trader, follow my instructions, use my tactics, and guys, let's meet with another profitable day trading video with Uttum's Trading Academy. See you and take care, guys.